What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. There's plenty of videos to watch, plenty of videos to like, plenty of videos to comment on. But yeah, let's get straight into this one with no more waffle. So I got something quite different than what's been mentioned or what's been posted on my channel. It's the first time this brand has been on my channel, but I'll be honest, I used to mess with this brand heavy a few years ago. I'd say pre-COVID. The sales, like the actual sales when the brand went on sale, amazing, to be honest. The prices cut down quite nicely, and I always waited for the sales. Armani exchange. Yeah, so I always waited for the sales. Used to grab stuff literally half price from this store, messed with it heavy. For some reason stopped, but I'm not sure why. But I'm kind of back on them. So this one is just a quick tracksuit. I'm just gonna quickly go over all the features of the tracksuit, and then what I like about the tracksuit, what I don't like about the tracksuit. So we'll start off, it's got the AX and then Armani Exchange. That's the icon logo, that's what it's known as. So this hoodie, if you want to find it, just write Armani Exchange icon logo hoodie in your Google. And then it's just literally plain everywhere else, plain black everywhere else. The strings, what I like is that Armani do is they do write Armani Exchange on the strings. It adds a little extra to it. Really like it. We've got the hood, the 3-panel hood. And yeah, now just quickly moving on to the joggers. Same thing, quite plain, nice cuffed at the bottom. Joggers with the AX. Same thing, Armani Exchange logo. So one thing that just straight away, I don't know if anyone's noticed, if you're watching this right now, I don't know if you've noticed, but there's no pockets on the front of this jumper. And I'll be honest, 100%, I only like wearing pullover hoodies with pockets. It's a bit odd, I don't know where to put my hands. I don't really know where to put my hands because it's got no pockets, so it's a bit odd. Sometimes I like, putting my hands in my pockets. That's just something I do. But this tracksuit obviously doesn't let me. Another thing is, this tracksuit is a strictly summer tracksuit, I'll be honest, like spring, warmer weather, because it is a thin material, very thin. I'll be real, I don't even know the material name. Let's check it out in the care tags. They got 30 logo as well now, so you can check the authenticity out if you want to pause that and check my stuff out. I like that they're bringing out 30 logo, because there was a lot of fake Armani going around. It's 100% cotton, but it's quite thin. It's not thick at all, so it's not a heavy hoodie. I'd call it a lightweight hoodie, really and truly. Definitely something for the summer. Summer evenings or something, you want to wear a nice tracksuit. In terms of sizing, I do suggest to everyone try it on. I hate giving sizing advice just because I wear medium, large, extra large, double extra large. It's like whatever fits me, I wear it. I don't really like looking at the label. I just need the fit to be right. So definitely try it on. I'd say roughly true to size. True to size if you like that a bit fitted and stuff. If you want it oversized, go upper size. If you are a bit of a heavier build, bigger build, go a size up. It will still fit decent. It won't be baggy or oversized by any means. It will still be kind of fitted, but just slightly looser fitted, but definitely still fitted. In terms of loose, I don't think they'll be loose on anyone, really and truly. But then again, don't quote me on that. But let me know what you think about this tracksuit, people. Just a quick Armani tracksuit. Oh yeah, price is quick. I think it was about 95 for the top and about 75 or 85 for the bottoms. That's retail. I didn't pay the retail, so I got the top for about, I'd say 65, 70 quid. And the bottoms were about 65 as well, so about 130 all in. I'd say it's a bit much for this tracksuit. Like, it's not wow, it's not amazing, but you know, then again, it's something I like, and I used to mess with this brand heavy, so I just bought one, you know, just for fun. If you look around, if you shop around, you'll definitely find Armani Exchange on sale. Offers, different stores. I was gonna name some, but then I noticed they don't pay me, unfortunately. So yeah, do your googles if you like the tracksuit. If you want one, let me know what you think of it, people. I'm really baiting out my whole wardrobe for everyone, but yeah, let me know what you think. I definitely like it. Summer staple, casual tracksuit, comfortable. And yeah, take care, my people. Check out all the other videos, and I'll see you on the next one.